AI web apps have taken over this year. In fact, Seth from No Code MBA has built his own web app called Blogfox, where you can convert YouTube videos into blog posts. If you want to check out how he did this, then watch the video in the description. But today what we're going to do is there's an AI for that, to test out some new AI apps. And today what we're going to do is look at this one, ATA, Marketing Content Strategy and Ads Generator. And let's get straight into it by going on the website. So I'm just going to test this out and then give you some feedback about what I think this is good for and who it might work for and whether it's worth trying out. So straight away, we come onto this website, one-click AI Ads Strategy and Content Generator. So you can get text, ads, ideas and strategy, content and SEO PPC keywords for your product. So by saying product, maybe it's for people who have an e-commerce store, but we're going to try it for the No Code MBA website. And just before we do, looking at the community ratings, there's 25 5-star ratings and 1 4-star rating. And if we just look down here, this is crazy. It makes me ads more and more easy for newbies like me. Excellent and affordable. An easy-to-use tool with many useful features. So very promising in terms of the reviews. So what I'm going to do is just put in the website here, nocode.mba, and then just say creativity, standard or spicy. I like that. But we're going to go with standard, not ready for spicy just yet, and then click get results. I have no idea what this is going to do, how long it's going to take. I'm going to have to pause the video and tell you a little bit about how long this takes. That took between 1 and 2 minutes to create. And let's just start with this marketing brief. So as you can see on your screen, it says the product content summary. No Code MBA offers courses and tutorials to learn no code, enabling users to build apps and websites using no code tools through step-by-step video tutorials and courses. Exactly right. Competitive advantages, practical lessons with free access to content. Yes, there are also paid courses too. Unique focus on no-code tools for app and website development. Target audience segments. We have potential audience objections. Complexity of learning no-code tools. Apprehension about the effectiveness of no-code development. Concerns about the depth of content covered in the courses. This is great. Potential audience objections. Because when you're creating a marketing strategy, you need to think about what objections people are going to have, what they are going to hesitate with when it comes to using your product or your service. So this is giving us those potential audience objections that we can overcome in the copy that we use. And then some things here, representative sentences. So it's taken a couple of reviews here and talked about this. And then brand vocabulary, no code tools, practical, hands-on, real world, efficient, accessible, etc. So that's kind of interesting. So this is just a brief marketing brief that I think has worked really well in terms of just giving a summary about what it's about. Now, if you're working with clients, this is a great tool to use in order just to get that basic overview about a company. And it's giving me some ideas as well with this. Now, as we scroll down, we can see here that we have Facebook, Google, and strategy. So this is asking now to sign in with Google. So I'm going to do that now and then see, oh, here we go. Interesting, list of customer objections. So it's just saying that in a little bit more depth. The Google tab has Google Ads. Okay, so it's giving you build apps about code to create apps with sites without content experience starting today. Facebook ads, ad set 1, primary text, image concept. So it's giving us like all these ad ideas for these types of things. What we're going to do now is I am going to log in with or sign in with Google and see what happens next. So after signing in, I can see that these now are clickable, but it's saying sign up to access all features. So if I click on this, we're doing a little bit of a thinking tool. And it's not very clear about pricing. I couldn't find pricing anywhere on this website. Couldn't find anything about the different tiers that they may offer. But what we see here, frameworks, social currency, triggers, emotion, public, practical value, stories, measurement and adaptation. So if we just take triggers, for example, implement regular email triggers and updates to new course releases and tool recommendations, email marketing campaigns, use catchy subject lines, personalized recommendations, etc. So it's kind of interesting the way that this has been talked about here. If we go on email, it's still generating. Again, I still don't see anything about signing up for, oh, here we go, monthly. Right. So if we scroll down, before we do everything else, begin $10 a month, let's say, 25 requests per month, 50 plus marketing tasks solved, fast chat support. Advance is 100 requests per month, 50 marketing tasks solved, fast chat support. And then Conqueror, 500 requests per month. And then if you go yearly, it's this much. And a lot of new tools are offering a one-time fee. Let's just say you just want to use it once, 25 requests per month, or 69 advance. I'm guessing that's what it means by one-time fee. It's not very clear here with this, although we might have some more details lower down here. If we scroll back up here, let's go back to some of the other tools that we have. We do a lot of YouTube work, so I'm just going to click YouTube and see what happens with these catchy SEO optimized YouTube video titles. So it's given us 5 titles here. Unleash your creativity with No Code Magic, No Code Website Builder Made Easy, Empower Your Ideas of No Code App Development. Now, I do a lot of YouTube work, and these headlines aren't fantastic for me. There are certain headlines that I like to use and the angles that you bring about when it comes to YouTube videos. So this one I wouldn't use in terms of this. Now, if we click on blog, I'm guessing it's going to be something similar here as well. We can look at some common blog post ideas for No Code MBA. No Code Tools Demystify, the beginner's guide to building apps, creating impactful websites without code, inspired success stories. What I prefer for this in these tabs is like a general strategy for what you can use for your blog. So instead of just having 10 ideas, you could say, here are the different categories of posts that you can create. And then this is how you can expand on these ideas by titles and structure. So I use ChatGPT for this. I have my own GPTs to create blog post ideas, to create YouTube ideas, to create YouTube outlines with very specific strategies involved in this. But all in all, what I really like about this tool is this marketing brief. I think it really just goes into some really interesting stuff, different topics where it talks about the product content summary, competitive advantages, etc. And it just goes into that in a really useful way. So I think that's one of the main benefits for using this tool. So if you want to check this out, go to iter.io. I'll leave a link to this website in the description. Found it on There's an AI for that. And then try it out. Enter your website URL, get the basic report, and then let us know what you think. Now, if you want to learn how to build AI apps with no-code tools, then go to nocode.mba, where you can access our full tutorials on how to build apps with Bubble, with OpenAI, the API connector, and then how to use other tools such as Flutterflow, Glide, Webflow, and others. So thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please like and share it, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.